What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Amani and I like to film all things beauty related and anything else I'm feeling at the moment. Today's video is about how I attempted to do these FAUX LOCS for the first time. If you want to see how I did them, then keep watching. Not so fast. You're going to do me a huge favor and like this vid and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my adventures and mishaps. Okay, cue the video. Hey guys, so I used this olive oil moisturizing hair lotion. Then I used my Lotta Body, you already know, because it's loyal. Then I used my olive oil conditioning spray oil for my roots to keep it moisturized. Then I went in with my Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner, and then I went in my Shea Moisture strengthen conditioning thing. Then I used the Bobbi Boss New Locks. I used two packs of 1Bs, I think a 1B 30, a 1B 27.
Any ideas?
Yeah, I think that was it. If not, I'll correct myself. But yeah, this is my hair. This is I think this is freshly washed hair. Ooh, y'all, I don't remember. I'm so sorry. Yes, it was freshly washed hair. Duh. Anyways, cut the cameras. And this is when I knew it was gonna be a fail, when I did the back this big. What is that, y'all?
Hey guys, so it's really late. I can't change the camera angle right now. This is beyond ghetto. Okay. Anyways, so this is what I have right now. I wanted to wait till I put them all in plaits, but I kind of started. Anytime I do my hair, I always started from the back, but this is what I have. I'm gonna turn it. Hey guys, so this is what I have so far. I have my back row, and then I have some over here, and I'm gonna come back once I have everything in singular parts. So yeah, these are some. I just wanted to start at the front to make sure I had enough. If I didn't show you guys right now, these are the packs I took out so far. That's the 1B and that's 1B 30. Yes, the 27 is the lighter one. That's 1B 30. But yeah guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm finally done with my little single braids. I already had started some of these. I look crazy, but yeah. Hey guys, update. It's 5:44 in the morning. And I got a lot done actually. I just have... Okay, this feels like a lot. I'm just kidding. I got a good amount done. It took so long because breaks, and I got distracted watching YouTube, so now I'm on Spotify. I was gonna go to sleep, but now I just feel like I gotta power through until I'm falling over. That's when I'm just gonna go to sleep and be like, you know what, because I have to film more videos. That's why I want to get my hair done, or do my hair, so I can... It's fine, y'all don't need to know about that, so you'll see it, but... So I got the before it's looking cute. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick how I do it. I'm sorry, I'm using my front camera and I turned off my light because the sun is coming in, but I'll just quickly do it for you. So here's one. I think it's the M1B 27. So it's this strand. It looks like this. I'm using my front camera, so I'm looking here, but you guys are right there, sorry. So here's the look right here. Here's the crochet hook. I'll do better hair tutorials, and this is not really a tutorial, it's just my first time doing FAUX LOCS, and they're kind of annoying, but they're not horrible. It was me braiding my whole head that took so long. That's what took me so long, and then twisting it around you have to do it a certain way or it's gonna get messed up. It's annoying, but so right here, let's do this one. This is the one y'all could see better. This one, because this is where this color is gonna go. So I'm gonna take my crochet hook. Damn, I can't even see if y'all can see. Okay, so I'm gonna take my crochet hook and I'm gonna go right underneath that braid until the latch comes out too. You gotta push. If not, you're gonna be out of luck. Oh, the latch is through. I'm done. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it because I can't see it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna kind of get it tight like that and latch it right in the hook. All I did was sit it in the hook right here, and I'm closing the latch and I'm pulling it through. I don't think that just did it. It didn't. Of course not. So basically, trying to get this part tight like this, and the whole point is while it's underneath the braid, you're gonna hook it and then close the latch and then pull it through. So that's what you're supposed to do. But I can't. It's so hard to explain. I'll just show you guys this one, but I need a different color to go there. Let's just use the regular. This is the 1B27. You know what? I don't even care right now. So let's use the 1B27. We're gonna try to find the hole, which is right here. And then we're gonna use this one right here since it's more visible to you guys. So I'm gonna stick my hook right through, and you see how the latch came out, and it's underneath this braid, right? Oh, okay. I'll zoom in on this part. And I put the hook here, and I pull, and now I have it. I have a grip on it. Now sorry, I think those are birds. It's like almost 6. I'm gonna take my hole in the braid that you just went underneath, along with your little faux lock. Remember, you can go like this. It kind of hurts depending on how tight you have it, but you're gonna pull it through, and you're going to tighten it. I'm tender-headed, so everything hurts. And now I'm gonna, the twists are going in, the locks going in this direction, so I'm gonna unravel it this way. So you're gonna see me going like this. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this light because it's making a weird shadow now. Okay, so you see how it's getting a little frizzy? I'm not saying that's what you want, but like, what I've learned today is this is, I guess, what works for me. I have to make sure I'm going in the right direction also. I think I'm going in the right direction. Okay. No, y'all, I don't think I'm going in the right direction. Hold up. Having a brain fart. Yeah. Yes, sis, I'm going in the right direction. Okay. So I'm taking it and I'm wrapping it. I have to make sure it's unraveled as I go around, or else it's not gonna grasp it. I'm gonna look in my mirror while I do this to make sure I get it. Guys, this is my first time doing this, so I have the idea down, but the technique is not the cleanest, or it's not the cutest, but it's doing what I needed to do. You see how I didn't cover some parts of that braid, so I need to go back and fix that because that's just my sleepiness. I gotta open it and wrap. The whole purpose is to not show that there's a braid underneath. It's not like braiding hair where it's not like when you're doing like box braids and like you let your natural hair show through under. Because that's what I do, because I don't know how to tuck when I'm box braiding. That's a different story. But yeah, this one you're supposed to completely disguise. It's supposed to look like a lock. It's not gonna look like a lock if your braid's showing, sis. Not cute. Oh, I could feel the sleepiness. Yo, look at my eyes. I look dopey. I'm not on dope though, I promise. Ooh. Okay, so how I do it now. Here's the end of my braid. So far, I try to make sure everything's covered. So when I start getting here, I open it more underneath so that it goes below where I finish. I just keep wrapping, and then once it's in, I still unravel and wrap so it can seal over itself. I don't think I really did it properly right now, but I don't care. In case I feel like it, I go in with my Lotta body and I pump it up and just twist over, and it's usually fine. That's what I've been doing all night. Oh, I realize that my braids is showing up here. Oh, that's what you don't want. That's really ghetto. Right now I'm really tired, so all I'm gonna do is just pull this up like this, try to hide it this way, just fix it a little bit and call it a day. I do not have the energy or the care in the world to fix all this.
And yeah guys, this is just me twisting and wrapping like I did earlier on in the video. If it wasn't clear, I'm so sorry y'all. This really was my first time doing this. I wasn't proud of this. Like right now, if y'all saw me actually recording this, I took them out today, and today is July 12th. Like I was over it. I haven't had these in, this was what, 2 weeks ago I think I put them in, if that much. I really didn't like how these came out on me. The pictures I posted, they look nice, but like, I don't know y'all. I usually like when I do my hair. I really wasn't feeling this one on me. I appreciate all those who gave me sweet comments and all that stuff. I don't know. I wasn't mad about it. But yeah, so this is just me finishing the last of it. I don't know when I'm going to reattempt these, but when I do, I promise I will give a better tutorial. This is just me showing myself doing it the first time, so I don't have a ton of footage, but this is what I got. And I was doing it all night. Around this time it was 8:30 a.m. by the time I finally finished. Y'all saw that sigh of relief. I was like, oh yes, and my hair is stiff and everything. I ain't dipping in hot water, none of that, so I looked crazy. But you know, yeah, and I used my lotta body to speed it up. And yeah guys, you're just gonna see me playing around with it, but that's honestly pretty much it. Oh yeah, I had a lot left. I think I only used like 2.5 packs, which is weird for me because I have a big head. But yeah guys, this is it. Thanks for watching.
Any ideas?
Bye.